What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, and watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now we using one account, only one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, but we're only using one just to show you that this does work. Don't have to try too hard, you make a lot of money. Alright guys, so anyway, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Only 20% of you are subscribed. And let's get started. Okay, so first off, let's speak on why I like promoting the $25 business. It's because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is fantastic. It's 80% recurring income. That is fantastic. That is so good. And I think this is what really sold me on promoting this product, and it's just the best affiliate system I have ever found. Alright guys, that's the reason why I like promoting it. So the first thing we're going to do is look at my results here. We're going to refresh the page to make sure these are real results, make sure I'm not trying to trick nobody. That's the reason why I refreshed the page. Very easy to change numbers around if you don't refresh the page. You gotta show anything. Alright guys, it does look like we did get a sale yesterday.
Nice.
Alright. Or a rebuild, but I think it's a sale. But I think it's a sale. Somebody else has added to the system here. Yeah man, this is just working. This just works. It works. Alright, so let's get to it. First off, you ready to follow along? I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. It's extremely easy. Easiest way to make money online, period. So I'm gonna show you exactly what to do. Alright, so first off, thing you want to do, we need to get you affiliate links. Alright, so this is the way we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you exactly what to do here. So first off, you're gonna get to my video here, right? You're gonna scroll down here. You're gonna click on the description right here. Now you'll see step 1 and step 2 here. Now the first thing you want to do is click on step 1. Right here, you click on this, it's gonna take you to this page. Take it to this page, basically explaining how the $25 business work and how you're gonna make the money. But you really don't need to know all that to do this technique here. You just need the affiliate link and a way to promote it. So yeah, once you do that, once you decide you want to try this out, you click on yes, I want in. It'll take you to this page here. You put all your information in, purchase the product, right? I recommend clicking on this as well. What this is HBA Premium. It's free for 2 weeks when you click on my link, and then it's $125 per month. What it is training on how to get sales. Now the main reason why you want to click on HBA Premium is because you have to own the product to get commissions from it. So what that means is, for example, you were to come through here and don't get this product here, you just get the $25 business. Then say you get somebody in the system, they decide to get this. They decide to click on this, and they go through the system. They complete, they order it. You will get $20 from the $25, but you would not get $100 from the $125 per month if you don't click on this. All right, guys. So I recommend getting it. If you don't get it as soon as possible, so on and so forth. All right. So once you do that, you're gonna come up to a page look something like this. All right, it's gonna look something like this right here. HBA affiliate zone. All right, so now we need to get your affiliate. So what you do, you click on the affiliate zone right here. You click on that. It's gonna take you to this page here, and you want to log in. No, you want to sign up for the affiliate program first. All right, once you do that, just stay on cart, sign. You just put in your information, accept the terms, blah blah blah. All right, now once you do that, you just log in the Stay On Cart. Once you log in the Stay On Cart, take you to this page here, and you just scroll down a bit, and there go your affiliate link right there. All right, so we got your affiliate link. This is the one I use, the all-in-one $25 business. All right, so once you do that, all you gotta do is come back to my page here, you're gonna see step 2. Step 2 is my lead gen secret. So we click on that, I'm gonna take you to this page here. Now what my lead gen secrets is you get 100 leads every single day, guys. And that you can mail once a day. All right, 100 leads every single day, mail once a day. Now what's special about these leads is that they're all interested in making money online, which is perfect for the product that we are promoting. So what you want to do is log in here, make your account. Boom. Hold up, let me try this again. Boom. Make your account. Now what you want to do, you want to go to your mailing system here. Click on that. And when you get to the mailing system, you want to select all here. And what we're going to do is just send our next email here. What is it? This one? So we're going to load this one in. Boom, boom. Got that logged in real quick, so we're gonna just hit perfect timing. Let me make sure I pause the video. Pause the video to copy the email, guys. I'm gonna give you my emails here. I'll give you a chance to copy it. So just copy this right here. All right. Copy it. You got a chance to copy it here. Pause the video and copy. Right here, just pause the video and copy. And boom, you got your email. Simple as that. Type it in for yourself. And once you got a bunch of emails, you're good. So anyway, put your link right here. Make your money now. All right. You just put your link right there. Make sure to hit perfect time, and they'll send an email around time people check email. So it's a better chance of them clicking on it or seeing it. Now make sure you preview. Make sure you preview the email here. Now the reason why you want to make sure you preview is because you want to make sure your link works. All right. Your link is working, all right? So you just send the email. Now here's the cool thing about this system. Once you get your emails in the system, you can just send them, and that's all you will have to do. And that takes about 30 seconds a day. Five minutes if you get like a bunch of accounts. It won't take long at all. And you just send them back to back like that, and it's fantastic. It works really well for me, guys. I know it worked well for you. All right, guys. So that's all there is to it. Like I stated before, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Only 20% of you are there. And I'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.